Hey everyone, welcome back to Crystal Communications YouTube channel. I'm Lebo, and today we will be unboxing and taking a quick overview of the Sinotec 5kW off-grid inverter. Let's get to it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Let's have a look at the accessories that come out of the box. First things first, we find the user manual. And in this specific packet, we find the stress relief plate, the DC fuse, and the ring terminal for grounding. Our beloved comms cable. And last but not least, we find the software disk. Now that we've seen the inverter specs, let's take a quick look at the physical unit. As you can see, this unit comes with an onboard functional display for management and configurations directly on the unit itself. As you can see, we have the AC input and output connectors. We have the input breaker. We have the grounding point, the BMS and COM port connections. We have the battery input connectors. And last but not least, we have the PV input connectors. And that's it. Thank you for joining us for our unboxing and overview of the Sinotec 5kW off-grid inverter. This is a great budget inverter and is perfect for most essential load requirements. And please don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.